Lexus carves out a new flagship luxury crossover with Lexus LF-1 Limitless concept. Like liquid metal being produced into a fine Japanese sword, the lines of the Lexus LF-1 Limitless idea can possibly shape the fate of a leader extravagance hybrid for Lexus. Lexus built up the extravagance hybrid section 2 decades prior with the worldwide presentation of the RX 300 at Detroit. It remains the best offering extravagance hybrid in spite of almost 50 contenders that have since entered the portion. Presently, the Lexus LF-1 Limitless idea presents another sort of extravagance vehicle, the lead hybrid. Joining elite with over-the-top extravagance, the Lexus LF-1 Limitless is a feature of innovation, development and the most recent advancement of outline at Lexus. Like its name, the potential outcomes for powertrains are boundless. The LF-1 idea could be controlled by power module, half-breed, module crossover, fuel, or even all-electric. By around 2025, each Lexus chauffeur and wide will be accessible either as a devoted jolted model, or have a charged alternative. The inventive soul of the LF-1 was made at Quality Design Research in California. The outline dialect is established in the straightforward yet rich plan idea named liquid katana. This outline representation intertwines the national states of fluid metal with the sharp edges of a customary Japanese sword. Envisioning that move from a smooth, streaming mass into a strong, edged shape frame the reason for the liquid, yet forceful outline of the LF-1 Limitless. This is our vision for another sort of leader vehicle that grasps hybrid ability without surrendering the execution and extravagance conveyed by the present best cars, said Kevin Hunter, President, Quality Design Research. The LF-1 Limitless idea fuses innovative innovation while making a compelling passionate association by enhancing the human experience for the driver and travelers. It begins with the correct extents. The Lexus LF-1's misrepresented dash-to-hub proportion gives it an athletic profile that is a bigger number of games auto than station wagon. Joined with a lodge that sits profound inside the back wheel drive skeleton and forceful 22-inch wheels scarcely contained under swelling bumpers, the LF-1 has an effective position that passes on its execution aims initially. The low roofline and raised ride stature additionally accentuate this as a hybrid intended for execution with common sense. Like all current Lexus models, the axle grille on the LF-1 is a center component to the general outline. On the LF-1 it's been taken much further, with subtle elements that recommend the begin of the shaft frame at the back of the vehicle that at that point proceeds forward toward the nose. The grille itself includes a three-dimensional outline with hues created in-house by Quality. Edges emanating far from the focal seal recommend attraction managing metal filings into shape. There is no chrome, as the LF-1 rather utilizes LED lighting around the grille that welcomes you on entry. There's most likely that extravagance hybrids are an inexorably well-known decision for extravagance clients, said Lexus General Manager Jeff Bracken. This LF-1 Limitless idea delineates what could happen if Lexus somehow managed to add a leader hybrid to our lineup. It's a beautiful execution and we're on edge to see our clients' and merchants' reaction. In profile, the LF-1 has a plainly characterized spill out of front to raise beginning with the front bumper line that stretches out from the hood the distance to the base of the C-column. That line stands out from the more intricate surfaces beneath it like the wide, freshly wrinkled front bumper that advances to the smooth, profoundly scalloped front entryway. From that point, the bodywork gradually works retreat again to conceal the back wheel giving the LF-1 an expansive, intense position.